Hi there. What I have today is the ERA Invincible and another Viscount, and I'll be picking them both side. I just want to say a big thank you to Chris Evans. I will link in the description. I'll leave a link to his channel. He has been helping me out quite a lot with this sort of stuff, so thank you very much, Chris. I will be using some homemade tools. I'm going just looking to drop it into a full set. There we go, we've dropped it into a full set. So we just have a little look at the levers. Once we've had a little look, go back through. Didn't quite get that one. Doesn't like it this lock. It just goes to show that even if you do get to understand the feel of it, back under 3. There we go. Sorry about that, I was concentrating a bit, and I do have an open. The wire is a little bit stuck. There we go. And now we will take a look at the levers in just a second. Now again, we'll do the same with this. With this, it's a 7 gauge, so I'll be using a homemade 7 gauge. And again, just trying to go through and try and get this into a full set. Just nice little movements. There, we've dropped it. So we'll go through, we'll have a little check. And there we go. So we will turn these round because they do have windows on the other side, and that one has had the hard plate knocked off, so you can see that it has got stuff in. Turn this down a little bit. Take a look at this one first. As I say, Chris Evans has been helping me understand the ERA look a bit more, and I can't thank him enough for that, so I will leave a link, and if you could go over to his channel and give him a bit of support yourself. As you can see, all 5 levers are in there. I won't take them out just to save a bit of time. But as you can see, that's good. I'll take them out just to show. It says lever 1, leave a 2. Do they have numbers on? That is number 4. The first one was a number 1. Third one is a number 7. Fourth one is a number 3. And 3 and 5 are always the same, so that will be a number 7. So now let's take a little look at the Viscount. So lever 1 is a 7. Lever 2, that looks like a 4. I couldn't be certain. Lever 3 is a 5. Lever 4 is a 2. And 3 and 5 are always the same. So we have a 5 again. I've just popped the spring out. It will go back in. There we go. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks again. If you liked it, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Bye for now.